Seavu lets you see what your underwater action camera sees live. Instead of dropping a camera underwater and waiting to review the footage later, Seavu brings the live view back to you above the surface in real time. Seavu is a live underwater viewing system designed to work with your GoPro or DJI action camera. The system uses your camera's built-in wireless connection. A receiver captures the camera signal underwater, the action cable carries it to the surface, and a transmitter sends it directly to your phone or tablet. This allows you to use the camera's native app to view live footage, control the camera, stop and start recording, and adjust settings in real time. Because Seavu works with leading action cameras, you benefit from cutting-edge resolution, image stabilization, and ongoing advancements in camera technology. And as cameras improve, you can simply upgrade your camera without needing to replace your Seavu system. With no hardwired connection to your phone or camera, Seavu is completely marine-proof, with no exposed ports or plugs to corrode. Whether you're fishing, exploring, filming, inspecting, researching, or training, Seavu gives you a live underwater view without needing to dive. Simple to use, built for harsh marine environments, and designed to evolve with technology. Seavu helps you see more, explore more, and stay connected to the underwater world live.